Experiencing issues with your Comcast Xfinity remote? First, ensure your Xfinity TV box is powered on. This is essential before attempting any pairing. For pairing XR16 or XR15 remotes, hold the Setup button until the LED blinks. Then enter the appropriate 3-digit code for your TV. Check your TV's manual or online for the code. For Bluetooth pairing on newer remotes like the Flex remote or updated XR16, press and hold the voice button. Then follow the on-screen prompts to complete pairing. If pairing fails, rule out interference from devices like microwaves and ensure you're within 30 feet of the TV box. For battery issues, most Xfinity remotes use 2 batteries. Replace them with alkaline batteries, ensuring correct polarity. Low battery power can cause unresponsiveness or pairing failures. 2025 models may include battery level indicators in the Xfinity app. If basic troubleshooting doesn't solve the problem, a factory reset might be necessary. This clears all custom settings and pairings. For XR15 and XR16 remotes, press and hold the Setup button, then enter 981. The LED will flash twice, indicating the reset is complete. You'll then need to repair the remote. For Rogers Ignite remotes, the process is similar. Hold the power and mute buttons for 10 seconds. Remember that after a factory reset, you'll need to repair the remote to your TV box. Safety tip: avoid exposing remotes to extreme temperatures. Regularly resetting your remote is beneficial.